YouTubers, hope you're well. So today's video I will discuss that how you can create history for your channel, which is very important to be uploaded lots of video and apply for monetization. So before I start, I wanna say if you are watching my video first time, you can subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get latest video updates. So let's start. So this video is for beginners only who are trying to create content on YouTube and wanna earn some money from YouTube. This video is especially for those people. Okay, so look, I am a YouTuber. I have been working on this YouTube since 2017. So lots of updated iPads on YouTube. So as a new YouTuber, I have some advices for you that what you should to do in 2025 as a YouTuber, or if you wanna be a good YouTuber. So look, first of all, you have to create lots of content. Those content are demandful for public. Remember this, you are making lots of content, but it's not necessary, but it's not no need for people. So this video will never ever seen by people. Okay, so you have to focus on that topic that actually people need. Okay, it could be less than 1,000 people need in a day. This type of content is needed, or it will be one day lots of view. You will be get lots of view one day, because today's video it will be day by day getting most popular on YouTube, because in a day need 1,000 people need to watch this video, this type of video. So think that after 1 year, what type, how many people could be seen this video. So always think that select a topic that people need. Okay, make on this uh, topic video. Okay, so hope you understand. There is lots of topic necessary, like bike mechanic, right, car mechanic, electrician, or like which actually needed in our life. That type of video is most important, and it will be get lots of views from YouTube. Okay, so as a single YouTuber, if you have a production house, then you can um, produce lots of video, or you can invest lots of money. I am going to tell you, if you are a newcomer or beginner, this video is especially for you. So first of all, that a YouTuber getting lots of views, suppose getting lots of view, and his channel is did not create any history. Okay, so here is the solution that I'm going to telling you, that you have to upload it 3 videos in a day. Okay, after 30 or 50 or 80 videos, it will be automatically create history, and you will be able to apply for monetization. This is the steps you can follow. Okay, so viewers, no more today. Talk to you later with another video. Till then, bye bye.